So, good morning everyone. My name is Mr. Dave De La Peña, first year IT, and thank you for joining this short lecture. Today, I will talk about compassion, how we express in it, caring for people and our environment, and how communal discernment help us make our school, our community, and the whole world a more compassionate place. What is a compassion? In my own word, compassion is more than just feeling sorry for someone. It is the willingness to understand another pains or difficulty, and a desire to do something to else it means putting yourself in someone else's shoes, feeling what they feel, not looking away, but choosing to care and act. Compassion is active, not passive. It is kindness with intention. It does not choose only those who like it. Reach it to everyone, including include strangers, those in need, and even nature itself. Expressing expressing compassion to others in the environment. Toward others, compassion show in simple ways. Listening when people is struggling, helping classmate or neighbor without expecting anything in return, respecting differences, and speaking gently instead of hurting others. In school, it means not bullying, sharing knowledge, and supporting those who are having a hard time with studies or personal problems. Toward the environment, we often forget that compassion also extends to nature. When we care for environment, we show compassion for all living things, plants, animals, and even future generation. It means not littering, saving waters and electricity, planting trees, reducing waste, and protecting our surroundings. If we harm nature, we harm the people and creatures who depend on it. Praying for it is an act of love and responsibility. Role of communal discernment. Now, what is communal discernment? It is when a group of people, our community, school, or society, comes together to think, reflect, listen, and decide what is truly good, fair, and compassionate for everyone. It is not just one person deciding alone. It is a shared process. Its role I make in its role in making our school and the world more compassionate is very important. It helps us use issues not only from our own view but from the perspective of others and the environment. It guides us to choose actions that do good, not just to what convenient or profitable. It prevents selfishness decisions. Instead, we decide for the common good. Through it, we create rules, projects, and habits that respect life, protect nature, and support those in needed. At PU, at Pan Pacific University in Tayug, Pangasinan, when we practice communal discernment, we plan activities that help studies, clean our campus, and serve nearby communities, turning compassion from a feeling into real action. Conclusion. To sum up, compassion is caring deeply and acting to help. We show it by treating others with respect and taking care of our environment. And and with communal discernment, We work together to build a society where compassion guides every choice we make. Let us remind, change starts with us, but it grows stronger when we decide and act together. And thank you for listening, everyone, and for your serve.